Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th Classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pullimandal.
Chairman Dhanse Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sukumar from Ropes Organization. So today, in the surface areas and volumes chapter in 9th class, now we will see when they are giving the diameter, from the diameter how to find the surface area of the sphere. That's we will see. See, observe here in the exercise 14.2, if you observe this one, see, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter. See, when they are giving the diameter, by using the diameter, how to find the surface area of the sphere, that we will see. See here, diameter, the first one, diameter 14 centimeters they given. Okay. So in 11.2, if you observe this, in the second question, they given diameter of the sphere they given. By using the diameter, how to find the surface area, that we will see. Exercise 11.2 in second question, first. See, D is equal to 14 centimeters given. From this R is equal to D by 2, that is equal to 14 by 2, 7 centimeters. And surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, that is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r, 7 centimeters into 7 centimeters, 7 cancel, then 88 into 7 centimeters square. So 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56 plus 5 61, 616 centimeters squares. And if we go to second one, diameter D is equal to 21 centimeters given and R is equal to D by 2, that is equal to 21 by 2 centimeters. So that is if we keep this one like as usually, then it is easy to cancel in the simplify the surface area. So surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square means 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 centimeters squares. See here 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 7 1s are 7 3s are. Then 22 into 21 into 3, that is equal to 22 into 63 centimeters squares. 22 3s are 66. 22 6 are 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 132 plus 132 plus 6 138. So centimeters squares. So this is the one. And when the diameter is 3.5, see third one, D is equal to 3.5 centimeters. That we can write as 7 by 2 centimeters. Next, surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, that is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into here 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 centimeters squares. So 4 2 2 and 7 7. Then we got here 22 into 7. 22 into 7 is nothing but 1. So here 154 centimeters squares. So this is the surface area. So when they are giving the diameter, by using the diameter we can find the surface area like this. See here in the first question they given 14 centimeters diameter. So here we know radius is equal to half of the diameter. So r is equal to d by 2, 14 by 2, 7 centimeters. And surface area of this sphere is the formula 4 pi r square. In this 4 pi r square, 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into 7 centimeters into 7 centimeters, 7 1s are 7 1s are, then 4 into 22, 88, remaining 7. So 88 7s are 616 centimeters squares. In second question, diameter 21 centimeters given and r is equal to d by 2, D means 21 by 2. 21 by 2, if you write as usual A, that is easy to cancelize. That's why surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square, 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into 21 by 2, 21 by 2 centimeter squares. So here 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are again 2 ones are 7 ones are 7 threes are. So finally we got 22 into 21 into 3. So 22, 21 threes are 63 then into 22. So finally 22 into 63 we got 1386 centimeter squares. And in the third one, diameter 3.5 centimeters given. 3.5 is nothing but half of the 7, that's why 7 by 2, that is easy to cancel. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 into pi value 22 by 7 and r value 7 by 2 and 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 twos are. So again 2 ones are 2 ones are. So 22 into 7 finally we got 22 sevens are 154 centimeter squares. So when they are giving the diameter, from the diameter how to find the surface area of the sphere, okay, we see that. So we saw this one in this problem. So all of you please understand and share this video to everyone. Thank you everyone.